Welcome to the Experimentarium in Copenhagen. Today, I'm taking you through this incredible interactive science museum. It's packed with physics experiments, optical illusions, and fun hands-on activities. Let's explore. The Experimentarium is located in Hellerup, just north of Copenhagen, Denmark. The museum covers about 11,500 square meters, filled with interactive exhibits and science activities. The Experimentarium is an interactive science center where visitors of all ages can explore physics, chemistry, technology, and natural sciences through hands-on experiments and fun exhibits. Here's a map of the Experimentarium. This gives us a full view of the museum and all the different sections we can explore. Let's start with some of the highlights. First, there's a large rotating staircase that moves in a circle, making each floor accessible. Here's a game where you balance a ball through a glass maze by tilting a large tabletop. The goal is to guide the ball carefully through the maze without letting it fall into any holes. It's all about steady hands and precise movements. At this station, you can put on VR headsets to see animals up close and even interact with them. It feels like you're really there, letting you experience wildlife in a whole new way. Here's a small punching bag that you can lift by pulling on a rope. It's a fun way to test your strength and see how high you can get it. In the next station, there's a cockpit where random buttons light up and you have to press them as quickly as possible based on your reaction time. Our record was 16 seconds. The architecture of the Experimentarium is modern and inviting, featuring bright colors and open spaces. The design encourages exploration and interaction, making it a visually stimulating environment that enhances the learning experience. Here's a weight that you can lift much more easily with the help of a rubber band. It demonstrates how tension can make heavy objects feel lighter, making it a fun way to learn about physics. On the roof, there are several games to enjoy. One of them is a giant slide that lets you race down and experience the thrill of speed. Another game involves balancing on a beam while trying to avoid obstacles, testing your coordination. There's also a fun spinning platform where you can see how quickly you can make it spin while staying balanced. One station for children simulates a construction site, complete with a crane and wheelbarrow. Kids can play at lifting and moving building materials, pretending to be construction workers. There are also blocks to stack, hard hats to wear, and various tools for them to explore, encouraging creativity and teamwork in a fun, hands-on environment. This station simulates how far a person can sneeze by using a machine that sprays water. You can stand in front of it and see if the water reaches you, demonstrating the distance and spread of a sneeze in a fun and interactive way. Here, you can see something similar to a hamster wheel, but it's designed for a person. It demonstrates how much energy a human can generate by running in it. The faster you run, the more energy you produce, showcasing the relationship between physical activity and energy output. Here, I'm creating a fizz by mixing water with a special ingredient. It's a fun experiment that shows how gas can be released, creating bubbles and a fizzy reaction.
Ging das bei mir bis nach unten? Nein, nein, nicht nach ganz. Ja, jetzt geht nach fast.
Here's a larger version of the same experiment at a water tower with lights. It creates a spectacular fizzing effect, showcasing how the reaction can be amplified on a bigger scale, making it a visually stunning experience. At the water play area, the floor is very wet everywhere. It adds to the fun, but be prepared to get a little splashed as you interact with all the different water exhibits. On the roof, there's another interactive game similar to Ticket, where you can play from different angles. It's a fun twist on the classic game, allowing you to strategize and compete with friends in a unique way. Now we're heading back outside. Overall, the Experimentarium is a fantastic place filled with fun and educational activities, especially suitable for children. It encourages curiosity and hands-on learning, making it a great experience for families.